Hello everybody, thanks for watching. My name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Dewalt 20-volt cable stapler kit. It is model number DCN701D1, and this is the kit. It comes with this soft case, and inside there is your stapler, a 2 amp hour battery that it comes with, as well as a charger, and you have a belt clip. And this guy particular, so belt clip can go either side, just like most of them. There's a button on the back that you'll push that will allow you to open this slide, and then that way you can put your staples in. And just like all the staplers, those are going to go facing out and just slide in there like that. And then when you slide this up, that's going to tension your staples up and hold them in place for you. And that being said, guys, the only other thing this guy has is it has a safety that you need to depress that's in the middle. So you have to make sure you are over a cable, and then it's going to know to center the staple over that cable because it depressed that piece. So you do have to depress that middle piece. Otherwise, it's real straightforward, guys, just the trigger to place a staple. So that being said, I am going to go ahead and show you a demo of how this guy works, and that way we can wrap up the video. So that being said, without further ado, hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so this is going to act as our cable today. And so that way we can staple this down to the wood. And so, like I said, that little piece right here in the center is going to need to be depressed. So you'll hold that down over that, like so. Just realized I got to put a battery in that. That'll help. And it does have a light as well, which is nice. If you don't have lighting, it'll help you see. So again, once that's depressed and you can hear it depress, you're ready to pull the trigger. And it's going to put a staple down just like so, holding your cable in place. And then we'll put another one there. And another one there. And that is the Dewalt cable stapler. One more here, just for good measure. And so that's it, guys. If anybody has any questions about it, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section below. We super appreciate everybody's support. And if anybody also... don't forget, if you didn't, to subscribe. We are giving this away at the end of February, which is coming up, and something else every month thereafter. Thanks again for watching, guys. We super appreciate you, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks, guys.